How many of you have said these statements or heard anybody else say these statements? I had a bad exam, so I'm feeling so depressed. I was so depressed yesterday after India lost the match. Or this movie is so depressing. Or the weather is so gloomy, I'm feeling depressed. Or the weather is so depressing. And somebody saying, what if you are sad since a few weeks? No need to see a doctor. Depression is not real anyway. Has any of you said or heard these statements? So, my question to you all is anything wrong with these statements? They are so common. Everybody uses them once in a while. All of us have days where we feel low, we feel sad, or maybe a couple of days where back to back we are not feeling as good as we usually do. However, that does not mean that we are depressed, or we are we are going through depression and we'll just come out of it, snap out of it just like that, right? So people who have a mental condition called depression, who are clinically depressed, are actually having depression and are not just sad for the sake of it or because of some external events, and just can't snap out of it it's not in their control to just be okay and happy without any help or support, right? So a more thoughtful, mindful word to use is, of course, sad, or I'm feeling gloomy, or I'm not feeling as happy as usual, right? So these little statements, these little changes in the way we approach the condition is also important as a society to improve the awareness